1999 Plymouth Prowler Roadster here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Got that modern day hot rod. Actual mile vehicle 11,381 is all. 3.5 liter underneath the hood. That's paired up with a shiftable automatic with auto stick. Only 605 built in this yellow for 1999. So we take a look at the custom front end on this car. Some chrome over the control arms. Check out the still pictures. They can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Four-wheel disc brakes on this one. Technicians noted the brakes are 90% in the front, 70% in the rear. Let's take a look down this passenger side. Black cloth top, and I'll show you how that folds up and down towards the end of this video. If you stick around to the very end, Jason will take it for a drive, show you how it runs out. Of course, the dark charcoal. Leather seats, buckets, center console. We'll get around to the driver's side, check that out a little bit closer. You can see it has these custom headrests that are removable. As you can see, those are kind of strapped to the top of the seats, where the headrest would be. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. As you can see, custom rear end on this one also. Does have new tires on it. Coolant service was recently done. And once again, all those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. You'll be able to see it from the undersides, and they're built with an aluminum frame. You'll be able to see the engine bay. Of course, the battery located in the very front. These had a 50-50 weight distribution, front to rear. If you like custom cars, definitely subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. I'm going to pause this a second real quick, grab the keys, because remember I don't have those in it, and let's check out this interior a little bit closer. And like I said, we'll fire it up, let you hear it run, take a peek at the engine bay. All right, grab the keys. It does come with a key fob that is in working order also. Modern amenities, power locks, power mirrors, power windows. Take a look at the seating surfaces. You can see not much wear there, what you'd expect with an original model car like this. Speaking of which, let's take a look at that odometer. And fire it up. So cruise control on the steering wheel. AM FM cassette player here. Looks like there's a little older Sirius XM radio that's been added. 11,381 for the miles. Of course, this is a stock tack, believe it or not. Oil pressure gauge. What else do we have here? Fuel gauge, temp gauge. It was a cold start. I wouldn't expect that to be up. How about condition of the passenger seat? You can also see practically looks like new. Radio is working. Give you an idea how it sounds. Let's slip around to the back so you can hear it. A little rumble coming out of that V6 underneath the hood. Again, 3.5 liter. All right, let me pause this a second. I want to pop this hood and take a peek at the engine bay, and then, like I said, stick around to the very end. Jason's going to take it for a drive. I'm also going to show you that top going up and down. All right, hood pop. Does still have the Tony adjustable shocks up front. Of course, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC's cold, heat, blows hot. There it is, the 3.5 liter. So nice, clean, tidy engine bay. Obviously, these cars don't get driven in inclement weather. So nice and clean and tidy. Let me go ahead and get the tripod set up. I want to show you the top motion mechanism, how it folds up and down. Very simple, manual top. Piece of cake. Let's check it out. As simple as that, top up, latched in the front, so you can see nice tight fit above the windshield. Black fabric, and then I also rolled up the side glass so you can see that is darkly tinted. Know your local and state laws with percentage of window tint that you can have. Heads up. Glass rear window, rear defrost, and no rips, tears, or holes. It doesn't look like there's hardly any wear on this top at all. Again, side glass, nice fit on the passenger side, nice and tight again. Above the front windshield, and very simple to fold back just where it came from, as you've seen me do earlier. There is one latch that's right here that you'll need to pull to pop that rear and release the pins on the back here. I'll put the camera quick back on the tripod, and I'll show you it folding back up into the trunk. So stick around just a little bit longer. 1999 Plymouth Prowler, what, 605 did I say, made in the yellow, 99? Little over 11,000 original miles. Call us, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all those still pics. Remember, Jason's going to take it for a drive here at the end. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1999 Plymouth Prowler, and as you can see, you're getting a little different view. This car's windows are very low and very stylish, but they don't hold the GoPro well, so I hope you like the new placement. This is an automatic right here for easy driving by anybody. This car sounds great. I'm not sure if those are stock mufflers. I kind of doubt it. It sounds really good. We have a tachometer right above the column. Our oil pressure is right in the middle of the gauge. Volts are at 14. Speedometer is working as it should. Over on the right we have a fuel gauge. Show a little less than half a tank. Temperature right in the middle of the gauge as well. Stereo is great in this car. Bucket seats, very comfortable. This is of course a convertible, and we do have the soft top up today. That soft top folds away nicely in the back. brakes feel really good. Brakes nice and straight, nice and smooth. And as you'd expect, it's flat in the corners. Definitely built for corners. Another car you just want to play with the throttle on to listen to. Take a look at all the pictures of this Plymouth Prowler at uniqueclassiccars.com.